Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and quick settings. Then let's tap on the status bar. And as you can see here, we've got the option for the battery percentage. And be aware, because after tapping on it, having the horizontal battery style, you will have 3 different battery percentage options. So do not show outside battery icon and inside the battery icon. Of course, just tap on the option like use and it will be immediately applied. However, be aware, because the battery percentage strongly depends on the style. So for example, if you will choose the loop option, you will be able to show the battery percentage only next to the battery icon, without the possibility to show it, for example, inside the battery icon. So be aware about that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.